Hi, this is Brad Aldrich, and this week's topic is divorce. Aldrich Legal Services handles divorce for men or for women, and there are a number of different issues that one needs to consider when filing for divorce. You need to determine whether or not it's going to be a contested or uncontested divorce. Contested is obviously where the parties involved are not going to be agreeing on issues such as property distribution, spousal support, or minor children issues such as custody, support, and visitation. An uncontested divorce is where the parties are going to be working together towards a common goal of entering a final judgment of divorce. The other issue involved is whether or not there are minor children. If there are minor children involved, the divorce takes on a new aspect, which is there's a 6-month statutory waiting period before the judgment of divorce can be entered. And the reason for this is that the friend of the court can conduct what's called an investigation, and they are looking to determine what is the best interest of the children standard. And that standard is determined by the court examining a series of enumerated factors. And just to give an example of a few, that is the financial capability of each respective party, the cultural aspects that are perhaps involved, religious aspects that are involved, or moral aspects of each party. And the court will then set out what it feels is best for the minor children, meaning who should be the primary custodian, and the non-custodial primary custodian parent, are they going to get what type of parenting time, and what type of child support is going to be paid. The other main issue is spousal support. In other words, if one party was the financial breadwinner, and are they going to continue to make spousal support payments for a period of time after the judgment of divorce is entered. And the third aspect of divorce is in fact the equitable distribution of assets and or liabilities. For example, the marital home, which used to be the largest asset of the marriage, oftentimes is the largest liability, simply because of economic situations that we face here in Michigan. Property values have declined, and therefore it's looked at as a liability, meaning the value of the home may not even be what is owed on the mortgage. So therefore it needs to be determined who's going to accept that liability of the home, and how is the other party going to compensate that person for accepting that liability. It is imperative that when one is going through a divorce that they retain good, competent, professional, and compassionate legal representation, because going through a divorce is a very emotional time. So if you'd like more information regarding how we can help you with a divorce, please visit our website at aldrichlegalservices.com or call our office for a free consultation.